Master the English greeting. Hi there. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to delve into a popular English greeting, especially in informal settings. Hi there. This phrase is commonly used among friends, family, and peers, and it's a wonderful expression to make your English sound more natural and friendly. First things first, let's understand what "hi there" actually means. In essence, "hi there" is an informal greeting used to say hello. The word "hi" is a friendly, casual way to say hello, and "there" is often used to address the person you're talking to, even if you don't know their name. An important aspect of "hi there" is its tone. It's often said with a cheerful and friendly voice, reflecting its informal and warm nature. Now, let's talk about when and where you should use "hi there." It's generally used in less formal situations or casual conversations. You can use it when greeting your friends, peers, or anyone you're on friendly terms with. However, it might not be the best choice for very formal situations, like a job interview or when addressing a high-ranking official. In those cases, a more formal greeting, such as "good morning" or "good afternoon," may be more appropriate. Finally, let's see "hi there" in action. Here are a few examples of how it can be used in everyday conversation. 1. Hi there, how have you been? This is a common way to greet someone you may not have seen in a while. 2. Hi there, I'm new in town. Can you guide me to the nearest supermarket? Here, it's being used to initiate a conversation with a stranger in a friendly, non-threatening manner. 3. Hi there, I couldn't help but notice your book. Are you a fan of mystery novels? In this case, it's used as a relaxed and casual introduction to start a conversation based on a common interest. That's all for today's lesson on the colloquial greeting. Hi there. Remember, it's a casual and friendly way to say hello in English, perfect for informal situations and friendly conversations. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to start using "hi there" in your daily English conversations. Happy learning!